the entry to Chalet, Naldhera, and this is where the parking starts from. As you can see, it's a storied hotel. There are almost 3 stories. They have a combination of apartments, chalets, rooms, and quite a happening place. A lot of people are staying here currently due to the Christmas Eve. And yeah, it's a steep climb, so it takes a toll on you. The car parking is an issue because it's slightly on the lower side, but the guards and the valet parkers, they help you a lot. Here it is. This is how it looks like. That's the 360 tower. I'll have a separate video of that. That's a car park, quite a few actually, and that's how it looks. Here's a view of the mountains from here, and on the opposite side of the mountains is a reception, all lit up for the Christmas. This is a 360-degree log cabin where you can see the entire valley clearly. What you're seeing right now is a reflection of the valley on the other side. And here we go. That's the approaching road to Chalet. And that's the car parking. And here is the valley, kissed by the morning sun, beautiful, pristine. This is a chalet again, where we're staying right now. Beautiful place. This is where I came from, and yes, just a quick round here. Here we go. That's Naldhera, and that's the mountains. I'm back again with another video of the chalet at Naldhera. So this is exactly where the rooms are, and pretty sprawling resort. So this is where we are staying, one section, and that's the watchtower there, 360-degree. There are more set of rooms out here, and at the distance you can see there are some more villas and bungalows. And here is the conference room, come discotheque, come meeting room, whatever way you want to put it. And yeah, some more villas and bungalows that you get to see here. And as you step down, right, well, that's the restaurant out there. And then of course we get to see some more villas behind this beautiful pine tree. And as we walk down from this place, they've got this apartments, as they call it. So basically they are rented out to a family, and they're pretty expensive. I'll try to share the rate card sometime later, maybe as an attachment to the video. Yeah, here you go. Very good swimming pool, I would say, and, as we step down from here. Well, here's a child's play area, slightly small but manageable, I would say. Good for toddlers, good for kids. And there's another terrace from where you get a very beautiful view of the valley. I don't know if you are able to make it out or not, but the valley looks really good from here. There's some mountains out here. You usually get to see the snowy peak, but I've been told that because of the fog and the clouds, they're not visible at this point in time. But this is all the resort property. Just below me, well, you will not be able to see it right now, but there's a sports zone where you can play pool, TT and stuff like those, carom. Moving on, this is the swimming pool I was talking about. Well, it is indoor, closed right now due to COVID protocols, but pretty good to have one indoor pool. There's a bar out there, sunken bar, not operational right now again due to COVID protocol. And there are some more rooms. I believe these are the staff quarters out here. Some more cottages, and yes, resort at this point in time. I just showed you the swimming pool on the right, the indoor swimming pool covered with glass. That's another bungalow apartment. Not sure exactly what it is, but there are 2 stories. And look at the valley from here. It is at least 3 ranges of sprawling mountains here. It looks beautiful from here. That's another apartment. And well, this is a villa. And that's a lawn. They usually have barbecues over here, or high tea. Yesterday we had a high tea over here in the evening. And that is how the pine trees are. Beautiful. They are having nice flowers. I don't know if I can capture that, but well, that is the pine tree. They're looking really good. And quite a good amount of fauna all around. The sun is under the clouds. It will be snowing in another 3 to 4 days. We kind of estimated our travel a little incorrectly. I wish I was here when it was snowing, but unfortunately we were taken by some wrong predictions, so unfortunate. Well, that's it for now from Naldhera, the chalet. Beautiful resort and a good place to be here with the family.